Welcome to an introduction in the leading technology for application mining and management. For 15 years, ITP is focused only on raising efficiency and quality of software maintenance and modernization, because that's where the money can be saved. 80% of the lifecycle costs come from software maintenance. If these are your challenges, you may be on the way to find a solution. Maintenance of complex applications, developers who wrote the code are not longer available or will retire soon, documentation is not complete or not up to date, cleaning the code before migration, fear of success of migration projects, maintenance of applications after migration, complaints about the quality of changes, backlog of change requests, time to market too long, cost of software maintenance too high, pressure to reduce cost. Who benefits from ITP-PANORAMA? IT users who want to maintain, modernize, migrate or outsource their company's specific software. Users of ITP-PANORAMA are in finance, industry and outsourcing. Fiducia is one of the first users of ITP-PANORAMA. They made a statistic after buying our technology and said we have simple, medium and complex searches. The effort without Panorama was 2 hours for simple, 16 hours for medium and 32 hours for complex searches. With Panorama it only took 2 minutes, 5 minutes or 2 hours. Taking in consideration the occurrence per year, they reduced analysis time from 4,400 to 120 hours. Putting this into US dollars, they saved in the first year $256,000. It starts with a change request. The architect checks the impact of the change to the entire system and produces a change order. The developer makes the changes and at the end it rolls out to the users. When we call, we often hear, we are already using tools. This was true at all of our customers. 2 developers at BMW had to find relevant programs within a total number of 7,400. It took them 160 hours to find 24 programs. Then they did the same with ITP-PANORAMA and found in 10 minutes 26 programs. The analysis was not only much faster, it was of much higher quality too. Scanning with ITP-PANORAMA means compiling all programs, cross-reference checking of all entities across the entire system. Then the data are stored in a Hypercube repository. Function point analysis, graphical representations and generating documents. In the lower part you see the user interface of ITP-PANORAMA in list boxes and in a graphical representation. These programs making calls, and here is a diagram of the call hierarchy. With the structure browser, a developer can go through applications and programs step by step. With only one mouse click, a developer can change from the user interface to the program listing, where the relevant statement is highlighted. A unique feature of ITP-PANORAMA is the data flow analysis that shows the value chain through application. In this case here, forward after a read. Please see the tutorial for more details. The graphical representation is synchronized with the user interface. The variables view shows you all details of a variable. ITP-PANORAMA can scan complex heterogeneous software environments. This is an example of a structure browser representation of an assembler program with the statements on the lower part of the screen. Here you see a Java application with an inheritance graph. With ITP-PANORAMA you can make selections top-down and bottom-up. All common target systems are supported by ITP-PANORAMA. There are 4 steps to get familiar with ITP-PANORAMA. Contact us by mail or phone, see a free webinar, send us an application for a free proof of concept, and make a 30-day trial to really know your software. Thank you.